Hey everybody, what's going on? Bruce with Habowskistudio. Did another little 5x5 hold-on panel. I'm pretty happy with it. It's of the little hay bale. So let's take a look at the finished product. Here it is here. And this video is going to be time-lapse with a voiceover. So enjoy it. And if you're new to the channel, thank you for watching, and I invite you to subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell notification to be alerted as to new videos. And as always, take a look at my Habowskistudio page on Facebook. I post pictures of works in progress and other art-related items that you won't see on my channel. So let's get going with the video. Hey everybody, this is Bruce. How you guys doing today? I want to apologize for not getting some postings out a lot faster. It's just we've had a lot of things going on here at the house with mother-in-law renovations and having her move in with us, so it's been a little distracting. I apologize. I'd rather just wait and put out good content rather than just whip out a bunch of smaller, less useful videos for you guys, so sorry about that. But this is just another little 5x5. I did a whole little series, probably about 13 of these 5x5s, and it's really a good way to test out some ideas for bigger paintings, and also to test your brushwork. If you want to experiment, just do some little pieces and just go for it. Really apply the paint. If you want to work with thicker paint, these are the size little studies to do that with. Very helpful that way. And these can also be very useful in terms of some revenue stream, because you can tend to sell these for less money, while you're also getting some practice in on different subjects. So that's something to consider if you're showing your work and want to find ways to get your work out there into many collectors' hands for a reasonable price. And you never know, they'll step up for a bigger painting later. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and take care. I'm working on some new content. I just want to build you guys some good videos. So be looking forward to the next one. Take care. Thanks.